I'm Victor with Screenly. Today I'm going to show you our Screenly Player Max and unbox and see what's inside the actual box. We open up the actual casing, and inside we'll find 3 boxes. So we have this box, we have the actual box here, which is where this is the box for the power supply. It will vary slightly depending on where you are in the world. I'm not going to bother opening this because it's not super relevant for the unboxing. And then we have the actual important part, which is the actual Screenly Player Max. So let's take this box away, out of the way here, and actually show you the player itself. So some things worth noting. You can see that it has 2 antenna connectors on the side here, or back rather. And then you have a set of ports. And on the front you have the power button, and as well as a 3.5mm audio jack. Oop, if I get focus back here. You can also see that it is a completely fanless design, so it has no fans, which makes it ideal for deploying in, say, a dusty environment or an industrial environment. So that's the player, and then let's pop open this box as it includes some important parts. First, you can see we have a regular Ethernet cable. Not much worth mentioning about this. And then, of course, it comes with an HDMI cable, so you can connect to your monitor. And then there is one more thing that's also important here, which is this, which is a VESA mount that you can use to attach this player to the back of a monitor or even a wall. So this is very handy for when deploying these players in the real world. I'll put that away as well. And what you also find in here is very important that you do not throw away, which is these things. These are the Wi-Fi antennas. They should be attached prior to booting up the device for best result. So they screw on just like this, and then you can fold these up like this. And with that done, you're essentially done. All you need to do now is connect to your monitor and to your network using either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and then it should automatically power up. If not, you can press the power button here. And that's it. That's how Screenly Player Max. Thank you so much.